reviewing the Schoenberg Fantasy. I have a rehearsal shortly, and here I am in my studio. I'm going to start from the Grazioso section, which is a major event. This is where the violinist turns his page. And here we are, measure 52. Okay. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. I'm trying to figure out exactly. Somehow. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2. 2. So let's try it together. Merits a review. That part is straightforward, and I've got a sticking damper, I guess. 2, 3, 1. Okay. Review. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. further away, then it's much easier to get to. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. To sneeze. And that's my practice technique. This studio, it's a little dustier than what I'm used to at home. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. I think triplets. Here I have to just know it in my bones because I get nervous on the second measure when I have 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. This is funny because I know this. I've thought about this. It's 5, 2 to 4, 2. But this is a more traditional, repetitive rhythmic figure. So when I get in the swing of it, it's easy to recognize. Motivically identifiable, in other words. At the beginning, though, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1. Better make sure that I know this is 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. It makes a difference to label it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Check. I can rely far more on my ear and my body to remind me that I'm in familiar territory. It's so easy with this music to overthink it and to therefore concentrate on minutiae that gets in the way of the line, and this, therefore the sense of ease. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. And I want 2 on E flat here because it says meow. I have already marked the next E flat to be 2, so there's no reason I can't already be on it. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. maybe an appropriate fingering. I'll put third in there. 2, 3, 1, 2. That's interesting. There's no appropriate fingering. It doesn't require me to find that A. Well, I can do strange things. I could do 1, 2, or 1, 3. I don't know if it's worth it for the lack of comfort. 1, 1, 2, 1. Go to the top of the page. This is page 12. Counting. Once again. 1, 2, That still is awkward for me to find. There are so many replacements of the hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stop that. So do I have A, B flat? Certainly less F. Okay, this is worth reviewing my pedal technique here. Because there's a rather quick foot motion here. Pedal after the release of the right hand. Of course, if the piano automatically pedals, it doesn't matter. To the B flat be what I find, and then I look for the C, D. But I might want to, at this point, I might want to change. Oh, that's a inbred thing in favor of moving my hand. So I would have to say this is systemic. I've got damper problems on this piano. Julie, and I think convinced me that this was setting the E natural against his E flat, because he previously has an E natural. I have E flat. Then we have the reverse clash, so I like that. Go back to minimoso. Certainly have marked second major beat here. Definitely needs a review, particularly my hand redivision spot. example, here, this tilted augmented fifth. That's it. But I was just, what can I say, just rushed enough in my decision making there. That's what I need, is a sense of ease, of timelessness, okay, that time I looked ahead, which is a very good habit, so long as you know what you're doing in the present. Yes, yeah, I could tell already that I gave myself enough mental room that it was going to be successful. Look ahead, think. Yeah, that's the key. In this case, at least, because there's so much concentration needed. And this is hard to both read and execute because the hands are moving so much. So let's see. 1,